When I first got involved, I came here as like lots of people was a child in the 60s and 70s because my father was born in Epping.
Right.
And we always used to go here for walks. In the 60s, it was pretty gross. You know, there was about 100 pigs, and it was absolutely disgusting.
Pigs?
Yeah, it was a pig farm. It was a mushroom farm inside, and a pig farm where the conservatory is, just beyond the conservatory. Oh, it was absolutely, it smelled disgusting, as you can imagine. They looked like the Somme, well, without the barbed wire, but you know, the mud, the pigs had chewed up. Oh, it was absolutely disgusting. So it always fascinated me then. And my grandfather was here 1917 when it burnt down, because he had a club foot. He wasn't in the army. He wasn't called up for the army, so he cycled up here with he lived just beyond the Epping station, so he cycled up here with a couple of buckets of water on his handlebars. Yeah, well, a mate of mine was one of the first people a local artist, Paul Flack, he was one of the first people to get involved, and there was quite a bit of local coverage in the newspaper, so it got kind of word of mouth, and local people always knew the place. And it's such a shame it was becoming so run down. So I thought somebody's doing something. And obviously the clock started ticking when it was looked to be turning into a conference centre and golf course.